Hello primary one, how are you today? Today we have a new lesson. It's talking about ordering numbers from greatest to least and from least to greatest. Let's start. Write the numbers in order from the least to the greatest. As we know, least means the smallest number and greatest means the biggest numbers. Here we have 38, 45, 63, 13, and 26. And I want to arrange them from the least to the greatest, from the smallest to the biggest. Should I start by comparing the tens first or the ones first? We will start by comparing the tens. So here we have 3 tenths, 4 tenths, 6 tenths, 1 tenth, and 2 tenths. Which is the smallest? 1 tenth. So we'll start with 13. 13 is the smallest number. Here we have 38, 45, 63, and 26. Which is the smallest? 3 tenths, 4 tenths, 6 tenths, or 2 tenths? 2 tenths. So we will take 26 and cancel it. Here we have 3, 4, and 6. Which is the smallest? 3. So we will take 38. Now we have 4 and 6. Which is the smallest? 4. So 45 is smallest than 63. And the last number is 63. Here we have 13, 26, 38, 45, and 63. The smallest number is 13 and the greatest number is 63. Order the following numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Here we have 63, 58, 52, 70, and 14. We will start by comparing the tens first or the ones first. As we said, we start by comparing the tens digit. So we start from the left. Here we have 6 tenths, 5 tenths, 5 tenths, 7 tenths, and 1 tenth. Which is the smallest number? 1 is the smallest digit. So we start with 14. 14 is the smallest number. Now we have 6, 5, 5, and 7. Which is the smallest? 5. But we have 58 and 52. What shall I do if we're comparing numbers with the same tens digit? We look at the ones place. Here we have 8 ones and 2 ones. Which is the smallest? 2 or 8? 2 is smaller than 8. So 52 is smaller than 58. Now we have 6 tenths, 5 tenths, and 7/10. The smallest number is 5. So write 58. Here 63 and 70. We have 6/10 and 7/10. Which is the smallest? 63. And the last number is 70. Now we have 14, 52, 58, 63, and 70. We arrange them from the smallest number to the greatest number. Order the following numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Here we have 29, 92, 24, 60, and 85. As we said, we start by comparing the tens digit. Which is the greatest? We have 2, 9, 2, 6, and 8. Which is the greatest number? The greatest number is 9. So 92 is the greatest number. Now we have 2, 2, 6, and 8. Which is the greatest? The greatest number is 85. Now we have 2, 2, and 6. Which is the greatest number? The greatest number is 60. Now we have 29 and 24. If we're comparing a number with the same tens digit, we look at the ones place. Here we have 9 ones and 4 ones. Which is the greatest? The greatest is 29 and 24. Order the following numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Here we have 12, 54, 90, 78, and 33. As we said, we start by comparing the tens digit. We start from the left. Here we have 1, 5, 9, 7, and 3. Which is the greatest number? The greatest number is 9. So we start with 90. Now we have 1, 5, 7, and 3. The greatest number is 7. So write 78. Now we have 1, 5, and 3. The greatest number is 5. So write 54. 1 and 3. The greatest number is 3. Write 33. And the last number is 12. Now we have 90, 78, 54, 33, and 12.